Welcome to the Alef University portal. The first thing to be aware of is that we are in a multilingual portal where we can select the language simply by clicking on the corresponding flag. To enter the Alef University portal as a registered student, you will have to go to log in. Write your email and the password that the university has assigned you, and you will immediately access the portal. In this video, we will see how both diplomas and degree programs work. Under the Academy button, you will see all the academic programs of Alef University. By clicking the button, you will see the university's bachelor's and master's programs. Let's look at the Bachelor's of Art in Theology. Here, we have the academic record. If we click on it, we can see our academic record. With the same user and password from the portal, you will be able to access the CEDUL, the section where you can see your grades. It is very important that when you have finished viewing the page, that you close the session. We return to the main portal screen, this time to access the library. We go to the bottom of the page, right where the services appear. Here, we click on the library and it takes us to the Student Access button. Once we click, we are inside the library. The library is perfectly organized by subject, and in many cases, according to the subjects taught at Alef University. You will have the opportunity to sort it alphabetically in both ascending and descending order. For degree and diploma programs with curricular value, these will be the two main functions that will be carried out on the portal. If you are registered in a diploma that has no curricular value, you will go to the Diplomas button, where you will be able to identify the one in which you are enrolled. Let's say that you are going to study advanced leadership. You enter this page where you will click on Documents. Here, you can see the courses of the program. Open one of them and you will see the anthology and the syllabus in English and in Spanish. Click on one of them and you will see how it opens. Here, you can also see the video of the class. Once you have finished, you can log out. If you are in a degree or diploma program with curricular value, you must go to the Moodle platform. The university will give you the URL to access it. You will see the same username and password you used to access the portal. Log in and enter the platform. In My Courses, you will be able to see all the classes you are enrolled in. Click on the course name and the course will open. There you will see the following information: general skills, the syllabus of the course, assignments per week, and the corresponding exams. Each course lasts 8 weeks. If the student wants to see the grades for this specific course, they click on the Grades button and they will be able to access them. Once you have finished your Moodle session, you simply log out. We hope this information has been useful to you.